Hi guys, and welcome to the video. Now today I've got a brand new competition starting for a plugin that launches on the 16th of September called WP Link Fixer. Now if you do any type of affiliate marketing, I guarantee you need this plugin. For the simple reason Google is changing the algorithm again and they're coming down on affiliate marketers. Now what this plugin does, it makes your affiliate links Google safe. Okay, now to do this, if you have a lot of affiliate links on your site, it would take a long time. What this plugin does, it fixes them all kind of instantly. So that launches on the 16th of September. So in my competition, you can win a copy of that. And you can win a copy of my bonus. And what a bonus this is. Now, I've got a whole collection of done-for-you funnels. So I've got done-for-you lead pages. These are 5 brand new done-for-you lead pages. So you get the lead page, you get the thank you, you get the gift, you get everything you need. All you need to do is add in your autoresponder. So there's 5 of those. We've got 2 done-for-you membership sites with over 150 videos between the 2 membership sites. You get the sales page, you get the delivery, you get everything you need to kind of resell those in the funnel as your own. Plus, I've got a SaaS product, brand new. It's a kind of social store that allows you to connect up your WhatsApp and resell directly to your social media accounts. So what you can do is you can set up your lead pages, upsell to the membership funnels, then upsell again to the SaaS product, or you could set up your lead funnels, upsell to the SaaS product, then upsell to the membership sites if you want. You've got multiple combinations of funnels that you can mix and match and create, okay? And you've got everything that you need to do those. You've even got for example, with the lead pages, you get all the lead pages, but with the membership sites, you get the sales page, and you get the upsell page as well. So if you want to have the membership site as a standalone product, you can. If you want to use it in the funnel as an upsell page, an upsell offer, you've got the upsell page to go with that. Okay, so it's an amazing collection. Plus I've got tons and tons of bonuses on top of that as well. So in this competition, you can win a copy of WP Link Fixer. Goes live on the 16th of September. My Done For You funnel collection, and a huge bonus pack on top of that as well. Now all you need to do is comment on this video on YouTube. So comment on the video, like and share the video if you would, and subscribe to the channel so you do not miss my notifications, okay? And make sure that you claim your free downloads as well. Don't forget about those. No opt-in required, just download those. So the competition goes live today, closes on the 16th of September. To enter the competition, comment on the video, like and share the video, and subscribe to the channel if you would. And you're in with a chance of winning that plugin that you need if you were an affiliate marketer, and all that amazing bonus as well. So thanks for watching, and watch out for the next video.